Did you know elderberry has been used for centuries in medicine? This little berry is packed with vitamins C and A, plus antioxidants. Elderberry is famous for boosting the immune system naturally. It also helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health. Many people use elderberry syrup to fend off colds and flu. Incorporating elderberry into your diet is super easy and tasty. Remember, the healthiest fruits are those unprocessed and fresh. Eating a variety of fruits ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. So, add elderberry to your diet and enjoy its amazing benefits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us for more health tips and delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.